Hi, Eric Sondergaard with Armstrong here, the Architectural Specialties Installation Manager. So this diverge metal panel system comes in various types of sizes. The width can be 2-inch, 4-inch, 6-inch, 9-inch, 11-inch, 13-inch. And then you got the depths. You can do up to 1, 2, 3, or 4-inch in depth. So you can create your own unique layout across the ceiling plane. Okay, so it all starts with this, the suspension system. This is an MBC2 carrier that is non-directional and is in increments of 2 1/4 inches, which means from the center of reveal to center reveal is always at 2 1/4 inches. So the panels I named earlier are all nominal sizes. Like for instance, the 13-inch panel actually measures 13 1/4. So just make sure you have the proper widths when you're figuring out your layout. Also, so when you're installing these mains, if you want to start all the mains off the wall so all the splices line up in the same row, that's fine. If you do want to stagger your mains, you have to stagger them every 72 inches because that's how often these 2 1/4 inch increments will line up along with these route holes for your cross T installation. So talking about our suspension system again, here's our main carriers. The main carriers have to be 2 feet on center with wires every 4 feet on the main carrier. If you notice, the main carrier is a 360 black. That is the recommended carrier for this system since it is a 3/4 inch open reveal. These 2-foot cross tees will be black as well, so it matches the system. A lot of times these tees are hidden above the panels, but every so often it may fall into a reveal. Then you're going to see the silverness of the drywall tee versus the black that it should be. So when attaching the carrier at the wall angle, you're going to separate the carrier so it fits around the bottom flange of the 7800 wall angle. So here's part of the carrier. You're going to spread this apart here, and the wall angle will fit in between there. And then if you have to, just add another screw to secure it. So for the axiom trim we're using, this is only going to cover the suspension system. It is not covering any of the panel. We don't even recommend to have cut panels at the trim or at the wall angle. Full-size panels on the width only. So when you're connecting this carrier to the axiom, you want to use our AXTBC clips that come with the axiom. And if you see that score mark right there, that's approximately 1/4 inch. If you cut it, use your snips and you cut it at that score mark, and then you can connect the carrier to the axiom. So what do we do for finishing off the ends of these? If you have the sides of your diverged ceiling exposed, you will be required to use end caps to close that off. And basically this end cap will cover the whole cut edge of your cut ceiling panel. Place it inside. Just like that. Here we're going to be installing an end cap on the end of this diverge panel. Got 3 attachment points. So I'm going to show the best way of cutting this panel. Cut it at 2 foot, take your speed square, and follow your line all the way around on the 3 sides. And you take blue tape, and basically this is just protecting the face of it from getting damaged from the saw. Okay, so now I'm going to use the Hilti metal cutting saw. So you put the depth, suck the depth all the way up, and just follow the line all the way around. Thank you for your time today to watch this video. If you would like to learn more about these Armstrong METALWORKS products, please visit armstrongceilings.com/metalworks.